Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In a previous video I showed you how to connect your domain from your current domain registrar to your hosting provider using cPanel. Today I will show you the same process, but with a hosting provider that does not use cPanel as web hosting software. If you have purchased your domain separately from a domain registrar company and the hosting package from a different hosting provider, then this video is for you. If you wondered how to connect your domain to your hosting, I've got you covered. In this video I will be using GoDaddy.com as the domain registrar and Hostinger.com as the hosting provider. Probably two of the best companies in their field at the moment. If you want to check them out I will leave links in the description. By the end of this video, you'll have your domain fully transferred and ready to go, so let's dive right in. Log into your GoDaddy account or your domain registrar and access the domain management section. Go to the domain you want to get connected to your hosting account and click on the details section. Access the nameserver editing feature. Choose the option to add your own nameservers. You will see two fields where you can enter custom nameservers. Nameservers are like the internet's GPS, but instead of giving you directions to the nearest pizza place, they tell your browser where to find google.com. Think of them as the internet switchboard operators, connecting your request to the right address so you don't have to remember a bunch of confusing numbers. Without nameservers, we'd all be trying to remember IP addresses like we're memorizing phone numbers in the 90s. Nobody wants that. Log into your hosting provider and access the management section. Navigate to the hosting settings. View the details of the hosting plan. Find the nameserver's addresses and copy the first one. The nameserver will be in a similar format, name.server.com. Go back to your domain registrar and paste the nameserver into the first field. Copy the second nameserver address. Return to your domain and paste the second nameserver address. When you are done, click the Save button. Confirm that you agree to use custom nameservers. Now you have to add the domain to your hosting account. Go back to the hosting dashboard. Access the website section. Start the process to add a new website. Select to create an empty PHP HTML website. Enter the domain name you want to connect to your hosting account. Proceed to the next step. Your domain will be added. You will also see it in your domains list. Please note that when you change nameservers, it's like sending out a new address to the entire internet, but it takes a while for everyone to get the memo. This process, called propagation, can take anywhere from a few minutes to 48 hours. So if your domain does not work right away, please be patient. In this guide I covered the process of connecting your domain to a hosting services that does not use a cPanel software. I hope this was helpful. Please subscribe for more. Thanks.